Last video, you learned how to master ordering at a German farmer's market. Are you ready to learn some more vocabulary? Hello Internet, it's Fio, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm an expat living in southern Germany. I make bite-sized videos for English speakers who are trying to learn beginner-level German. From Weinfest's Everyday Deutsch, you'll find German phrases that will help you communicate in different settings. In this video, you'll be learning some more German food vocabulary words. Let's dive in. Los geht's. Here are some of the most common fruits you'll find at the market in Germany. Das Obst. In German, Obst is both singular and plural. Der Apfel, die Äpfel. Die Banane, die Bananen. Die Orange, die Orangen. Die Wassermelone, die Wassermelonen. Die Weintraube, die Weintrauben. Die Zitrone, die Zitronen. Die Erdbeere, die Erdbeeren. Die Birne, die Birnen. Die Pflaume, die Pflaumen, der Granatapfel, die Granatäpfel, die Himbeere, die Himbeeren, die Brombeere, die Brombeeren, die Ananas, die Ananas. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this new vocabulary comes in handy. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it truly helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more beginner-level language learning content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bis bald. See you soon.